I'm Terri from the South Valley's Library. In honor of Women's History Month, I would like to tell you about Rosalind Franklin, a scientist who used X-ray crystallography to identify the double helix structure of DNA, the genetic material determining the makeup of all living cells and many viruses. Rosalind Franklin was born in 1920 in London, England, into an affluent Jewish family. At the time, most girls were raised with the expectation of becoming wives and mothers, but Rosalind's parents had a progressive view of the raising of girls and encouraged her intellectual interests. By the age of 15, Rosalind knew she wanted to be a scientist. Franklin obtained her degree in 1941 from Cambridge University, one of only 500 women in a class of more than 5,000. She earned her PhD in physical chemistry from Cambridge in 1945. She spent 4 years in Paris learning the newly developed technology of X-ray diffraction known as X-ray crystallography, which helps scientists to reveal a molecule's shape and measurement. She returned to London in 1950 to head up an X-ray diffraction unit at King's College. The laboratory there was working to determine the structure of DNA, and Franklin was the first to discover that DNA is a helical molecule with a sugar phosphate backbone running along the outside of the molecule. Franklin did not receive proper recognition for her work because her colleagues Maurice Wilkins showed her X-ray photographs of the DNA molecule to James Watson and Francis Crick, researchers at a different lab. Along with an unpublished report of Franklin's, the X-ray photos provided the necessary information for Watson and Crick to complete their DNA model. Rosalind Franklin died of ovarian cancer in 1958 at the age of 37. In 1962, the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine was awarded to Francis Crick, James Watson, and Maurice Wilkins for describing the structure of DNA. It is unclear whether Rosalind Franklin would have been included even if she were still alive, as the award cannot be awarded posthumously or shared by more than 3 people. In their acceptance speeches, neither Crick nor Watson mentioned just how crucial Franklin's work was to their discovery of DNA's structure. I urge you to do some research to learn about DNA and decide for yourself whether sexism may have played a significant role in denying Rosalind Franklin the recognition she deserved for her vital contribution to its discovery. And now for some fun facts about Rosalind Franklin. While working in Paris, Rosalind became fluent in French, liked to sew, cook, swim, dance, hike, climb mountains, and keep up with fashion trends. She also enjoyed adventurous vacations and traveling on a budget, which required her to rely on her wits. Today, DNA is used in everything from forensic science, crime scene evidence, to genetic testing, to genealogy, even determining the breeds in your dog. Personally, when learning about Rosalind Franklin, I was proud that a woman played such a crucial role in determining the structure of DNA. This quickly turned to indignation once I realized that she did not receive recognition for her groundbreaking work. If you would like to find out more about Rosalind Franklin, check out the resources page in this post and on our virtual programs webpage. And I wanted to share with you a couple of items from the collection. This is an excellent biography for young people by Kath Senker. Our library also has an interesting documentary called DNA: Secret of Photo 51. Join us all month long for programs featuring powerful women in history you should know. Find a calendar of all of our virtual programs on our website, washoecountylibrary.us. Thanks for joining me today.